In this class, we will talk about types of sentences. So we can divide types of sentences into two categories. First category about sentences is positive sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences, as well as imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences, and at the end we will talk about operative sentences. In category 2, we will talk about in the next lecture about compound as well as complex sentences. So in this class we will talk only about positive, negative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory as well as operative sentences. So the first type of sentences is positive sentences. Positive sentences are such sentences in which we use simple only full stop, as well as we can say that we cannot use negative sentences. The word not is not used in positive sentences, as well as we can say that the sign of interrogation, interrogative sign are symbol. In the same way, we cannot use exclamatory sign of exclamation in positive sentences. So in positive sentences we only use full stop. Let's see some examples about positive sentences. Positive sentences like he is a doctor, as well as we can say that she works actively. So these two sentences are simple sentences, as well as we can say that these are positive sentences. Negative sentences are those sentences in which we will use not, or we use the word not. For example, add not in these sentences. Word not is used in negative sentences, like we can say that he does not work regularly. He does not work regularly. In this sentence we can see that the word not is used. Another example of negative sentences is we can say that Ali is not a good player. So in this sentence we can say that the word not is added, or word not is used to represent negative sentences. The other type of sentences is interrogative sentences. So interrogative sentences are those sentences in which we ask questions about others. Example, we can say that ask any question about a person, about any thing. For example, we can say that is she a good doctor, as well as we can say that are they students. When we talk about interrogative sentences, you must always remember one thing, that At the end of interrogative sentences, we use sign of interrogation like this. So next type of sentences is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are those sentences which are always start from first form of verb. We can say that go and bring a glass of water. Bring a glass of water for me. Bring a glass of water for me. Another example of imperative sentences is that teach our lesson actively. The sentence teach our lesson actively start from teach, as well as this sentence is always start from go. Word go is a verb. We can say that go is an action verb. So this is an imperative sentence because imperative sentence always starts from a verb. So next type is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are those sentences in which sign of exclamation are used. So this is sign of exclamation. This is sign of exclamation. So let's see example of this type of sentences. We can say that hurrah, we have won the match. So this sentence, hurrah, we have won the match, is a type of exclamatory sentences. So exclamatory sentences express something sadness